From time to time, Trapp Online technical support may direct you to rebuild your QuickBooks company file. This video will show you how. After you have successfully logged into QuickBooks and opened your company file, click File, then Utilities, and then select Rebuild Data. Yes, you want to continue, so click OK. Then click OK. Now double-click the C drive and select Cloud Files. Click Save to create the backup copy. Now click OK. Once you get a message saying that the rebuild is complete, you must complete this process 2 more times for optimal performance.